Our next step is to define what we mean by a stream in terms of how many acres drains to each particular point. In forestry operations, a stream that drains more than 300 acres gets special protection, and that threshold is generally in line with what a perennial stream is, meaning that you're going to find water flowing all the time. You'll find channels where water might flow during the spring melt, but most of the year when you're actually out there working, they will be dry. So you can see the indentations that might result from those spring flows, but they are not actually streams that are flowing when you're working. So because this is a little subset of Katahdin, we're going to use a smaller threshold. Now, the first thing we need to know is what is the pixel size of this layer. So we can go to the source tab, and this is a 1 by 1 meter pixel. So we know we're in NAD 1983 UTM Zone 19 North, therefore the linear unit is a meter. So a cell size of 1 by 1 equals 1 square meter. 1 times 1 is 1. And we further know that we want a 100 acre drainage area. We don't need to get too complicated here. We can do acres to meters squared. Come on, Google, you can do this. Thank you. 100 equals 404,686 square meters. So we want to find pixels that are draining at least 404,686 other pixels. So that's what we're going to do with Raster Calculator. This is what our interface looks like, and we are going to type in con, open parentheses, double click on the flow accumulation, greater than 404,686, comma 1, close. Meaning that we're going to code any pixel that drains more than 404,686 other pixels as a 1. Okay. And if we zoom in, we can see that's what we've done. It doesn't display when you're zoomed all the way out, but these are our stream channels in a raster dataset. When it crosses this lake here, you see that it's just turned into a straight line because it knows it just has to get from point A to point B. And this is the point where it's now draining less than 100 acres. You might still be able to find the channel. Maybe it's rocky up there and you can't. But that is all the pixels that have met our 100 acre threshold.